Hi. Today we will learn about phrasal verbs. Here are some phrasal verbs along with sentences to help you understand their usage. First phrasal verb is break up. Let's use it in a sentence. After years of dating, Sarah and John decided to break up. After many disagreements, they decided to break up. Second phrasal verb is call off. Let's use it in a sentence. Due to bad weather, they had to call off the outdoor picnic. Due to the storm, they had to call off the outdoor event. Third phrasal verb is bring up. Let's use it in a sentence. In the meeting, he brought up an important proposal for discussion. In the meeting, Sarah brought up an important issue that needed attention. Fourth phrasal verb is come across. Let's use it in a sentence. While hiking, they came across a hidden waterfall in the woods. During their travels, they came across an ancient ruin in the jungle. Fifth phrasal verb is get along. Let's use it in a sentence. Despite their differences, the siblings managed to get along during the family reunion. Despite their differences, Susan and her sister always managed to get along. Sixth phrasal verb is turn down. Let's use it in a sentence. Unfortunately, they had to turn down the job offer due to relocation issues. She had to turn down the job offer because of the long commute. Seventh phrasal verb is look forward to. Let's use it in a sentence. Mary looks forward to her weekly yoga classes for relaxation. Tom looks forward to spending the weekend with his family. Eighth phrasal verb is go through. Let's use it in a sentence. The company is currently going through a period of restructuring. The team is about to go through a comprehensive training program. Ninth phrasal verb is set up. Let's use it in a sentence. They worked together to set up a community garden in the neighborhood. They worked together to set up a charity for homeless animals. 10th phrasal verb is give up. Let's use it in a sentence. Even though it was challenging, Jane refused to give up on her dreams. Despite facing challenges, she refused to give up on her artistic dreams.